Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Dadrian. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton and the Gospel singer Kevin Downswell weighed in on the much publicized death of Jodian Fearon during the latest installment of COVID Conversations. Yesterday, during the Instagram live discussion with his guest, the Minister of Health and Wellness expressed his remorse for her passing.
I know that the most topical issue right now is the unfortunate death of a young lady who gave birth a day ago to her baby at Spanish Town Hospital. A lot has been said out there. I'm devastated by what has happened.
It really affected me. My mother called me this morning and she said she couldn't sleep last night because of that just one thing. And my mother is a pastor, and it really impacted me.
The death of the 23-year-old has sparked national outcry following allegations that she was denied access to a number of maternity wards at major hospitals because she was suspected to have COVID-19 after exhibiting flu-like symptoms. Now to news overseas, where Kanye West declared a billionaire. On Friday, Forbes magazine gave the Count Your Blessings rapper the billionaire title, estimating that Kanye has a net worth of $1.3 billion. Forbes arrived at the net worth by calculating Kanye's assets, which include his Yeezy sneaker collaboration with Adidas, which raked in royalties of over $140 million from sales last year. The news makes Kanye West's hip-hop's second billionaire after rapper Jay-Z. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Dadrian. Thank you for watching.